Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CGC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And especially in this situation, makes kind of cutting through. I'll be the first to admit this is kind of a shady chart, kind of sketchy. Is this bullish or is it bearish? Because, yeah, the price made a great move today, but then the price had a pretty big pullback this afternoon, but it's not like the price crashed. So there's a lot of gray area kind of right now. So what I want to focus on more so just kind of look at a single area, which in my mind is going to help, kind of dictate whether or not this chart is actually bullish or bearish going forward. And that level that really stands out to me and that I think is going to, help going forward is right here at the $33 mark. Why is $33 important? I'm not saying this will happen, but one situation is, let's say the price comes down to 33, breaks through it, and then just continues on down. At that point in time, what would you have? Well, you would literally have the price right back to where it was before, the big move happened today. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with true strength, with genuine power, are not going to go back to where they were. They're going to make at least some sort of form of progress going forward. And on that note of progress, again, let's keep in mind $33. So on the flip side, let's say the price comes down here, but does not go down below it, behaves in that manner, then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you picture each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps starting to make progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. So in many senses, $33 is kind of this vocabulary defining level, meaning is the price going back? Again, quote unquote, going back associated with a bearishness chart, or is the price making progress being associated with more so a chart that has bullishness attached to it. So 33, like I said, it's kind of that level that's going to help cut through the gray area because, yeah, it's no shame. in admitting that today's price action was pretty confusing. So we'll see whether or not today's movement is any sort of bullish or bearish movement. But yeah, let's see how the price continues to react right around that $33 mark. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.